11,459 views, 5,086 clicks, which made a total of 2,458.17 in revenue. This wasn't a one-time huge payment but a collection of $2 payments, again and again, that added up to this larger amount. I am going to show the exact product that was used. You don't need to sell anything, no one needs to buy anything from you, and you don't need any money to get started. This is a free method you can start right away. So watch the entire video and do the exact steps, so that you can also make money like this. The first step is to go to this website. This is an affiliate offer search engine that helps you find great offers, which you can make money from. You can search and use any product from this website, but here is something important to make even more money. You need to look for these two things. First, you need to make sure that the offer is available worldwide. Next, make sure they have a free trial or give away something for free. Here is one such product, which pays $2.03 and is available worldwide. I will show you how this works. So anyone worldwide can request one of these free samples, and every time someone signs up to get their hands on a free sample you will make $2.03. Here is the page this company is promoting. This is the free offer. It is a well-recognized product by companies like Forbes. This recognition makes it more appealing for people to try the free samples. When the person answers a few questions and adds their email address to get the free samples, that's when you make money. Now you must be wondering how to promote this without spending any money? Do you want to know the free method I use? Then give this video a like and let me move on to the next step. You need to think about what type of content someone interested in this product might read. Go to Google and add a related search term. You shouldn't send people directly to the offer. You need to warm them up with some valuable information first. So find an existing one that looks good. Once you have found it, there is a free website that I will show you next, which you can use to increase your click-through rates. This website allows you to create a powerful call to action for any link. First, create your free account. Next, you will see a dashboard like this. Scroll down and go to create a new ad. Don't worry, you don't need to pay for anything. Just follow along and I will show you everything. Give it any name and press add. The way this works is that when people are reading the article you selected in the previous step, a pop-up is going to come with a link to your offer. So the next step is to create this pop-up. Select this option. You want to show the pop-up after about 10 seconds. Next, give an appealing name. You can get ideas from the website site itself. Add a meaningful description and the button text. If you want, you can change this icon as well. You can also change this image and text too and make it look professional. Change the button color and also add the link you got from the offer site. Once complete, click on Done. Now take the article you got. Copy the URL and select the ad you just created and then click on Create Link with Ad. If you click on this link, you will see what other people will see. First, they see the article you choose, and they will start reading it. After a few seconds, they see the pop-up for the free samples. When they click on the button, it will take them to the offer page. Then they can get their free sample and you will get your money. Now you must be wondering, where are you going to find the people who might want a sample like this? I am going to give you one website. If you want more related websites, then comment below, promote free, and if I get at least 20 comments, I will create a future video with more websites. If you send this to random people, they might not be interested in getting any free samples, even if they are free. So you need to promote this offer to people that are already interested in this niche. So use this free website. It is a forum-based website where thousands of men go every single month to talk about everything to do with style. To show some numbers, here you see the numbers of visitors that this website got last month. It is a relevant website to promote your offer. The way you do it is to create your own forum. Then you can start telling people about this article that you found and share the link. When they start reading the article, the pop-up will come up and that's when you start making money. This is just one way to make money online for free. I created several other videos before, watch this video next.